So here we will see the 38th question, which is a second part in that, which is a OR question, optional question. So a solid toy, okay, is made by joining a right circular cone of height 12 centimeter. This is the cone what they are talking about. To a hemisphere, it is joined to a hemisphere of radius 3.5 centimeter. This is the hemisphere of 3.5 centimeter. Okay, the toy. Now there are two things. There is one solid toy and there is one toy. Solid toy means the entire thing, and the toy means only this cone and this hemisphere. What is we are seeing inside this cylinder? This inside part is only the toy part, and the main part, everything together, is the solid toy. So the smaller inside part, the toy, is immersed in a cylindrical glass vessel. Okay, completely filled with water as shown in the diagram. If the diameter of the cylinder is 14 centimeter, if the diameter of the cylinder is 14 centimeter, and height of the cylinder is equal to the height of the toy, okay, so this is this is how much? This is 12, and this remaining height will be the height of the hemisphere. So if we radius, if we take it straight like this, it is again 3.5, right? So the total height is how much? Total height is 15.5, right? Now, then find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Okay, so what is the volume of water which is left in the cylinder, and also find the total surface area of the toy. So they are asking about the area of the toy, not the solid toy. So these are basically the two things what we have to find. So first what we'll find, first we'll find the volume of water which is left. So to find the first thing, volume of water left in the cylinder. So this is what we have to find. And to do that, how we can find, guys, what we have to do is we have to take the volume of cylinder, okay, and from that it is very simple. We need to subtract, okay, volume of cone, volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So if we subtract the volume of cone and volume of hemisphere, that will be the water which will be left here, right? And whatever water is left, that is what they want. So now what we'll do, first we'll go step by step, we'll find volume of cylinder first. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll find volume of cylinder. So the formula is pi r square h. Pi value, nothing they have mentioned. So take 22 by 7. Radius, radius, the diameter is 14, so radius will become 7. Square means 2 times we have to write. And the height is how much? 15.5, the total height. 15.5. Now this 7 and this 1 times 7 will cancel, and just multiply the remaining things. So 2387 is the answer, centimeter square. Now we'll find a volume of cone. For cone, the formula is, for the volume of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is radius of, now we are talking about cone. So radius is radius square So the radius of the cone, we are calculating about cone. So it is 3.5 radius. So in fraction we can take 7 by 2 or 3.5, both is okay. So square means 2 times arrow. And the height of the cone is 12. Okay. So guys, you need to take the numbers very, properly, without confusion. Do not take the numbers of cylinder, the measurement of cylinder to cone. Otherwise, the entire sum will go wrong. Now we will cancel them. So 7 and 7 can be cancelled. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So 2 ones are 2 and here 11s are. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Just multiply the remaining things. So we'll multiply the remaining things. So we will get 154 centimeter cube. Sorry, we have to write here cube. Here also I'll make it cube because we are calculating volume. Just make this cube because for volume we write cube because volume is three dimensional. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will find volume of hemisphere. Okay. So the volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5. So 7 by 2 we can write and it is cube. So 3 times I will write. Now what we'll do is we will cancel them. So this 2 and 2 one time it will go. 2 and this will become 11 and 7 and 7 will cancel. Remaining things I will write here. So 11 into 7 sevens are 49. So 11 into 7 sevens are 49 and 3 and 2 is 6. Now I will write the answer here. So this is 89.83 centimeter cube. Mm, Now what we'll do, we'll put all these values in this formula and we will get the volume of water left, and we will do this on the next page. Guys, what I did, I created a little bit of place here only so that it becomes easy for us to see everything. So we will write the volume of cylinder, so which is 2387 minus volume of cone, which is 154, plus volume of hemisphere, which is 89.83. Now we will subtract everything from this. So 2387 minus 243.83, and the answer is 2123.47 centimeter cube. So guys, this is our final answer. A volume of water left in the cylinder, it is 2143.47 centimeter cube. Now there is another question. They have asked us to find the total area of toy, which we will do on the next page. Now the second thing what we have to find is total surface area of toy. Means only the inner smaller part of the toy is the toy. Now the total surface area of toy. Okay. So total surface area of toy. So how we can find out? We can find it out by taking curved surface area of cone and by adding curved surface area of hemisphere, right? And we will get the area of this toy. So curved surface area of cone, the formula is pi r L, and curved surface area of hemisphere, it is 2 pi r square. And we need the slant height to find the curved surface area of cone. So what we will do, we will find the slant height here. Okay, and the formula is slant height is equal to under root height square plus radius square. Okay, so height is how much? Height of cone we have to take. Height of cone is 12, so 12 square plus radius is how much? 3.5 means 7 by 2 we can take and square. So 144 plus 7 sevens are 49 upon 2 twos are 4. Again we will find LCM. So here into 4, here into 1. So this will become 576 plus 49 upon 4, which is 625 upon 4, which is 25 upon 2, or you can take it as 12.5. Okay, so now we will take that value here. Now we will take solve this main sum. So the pi is 22 by 7. Radius of this is for same for both, so it is 7 by 2 into slant height is 25 by 2 plus 2 into 22 by 7, and radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by. So now we will cancel out the things. So 2 ones are and here 11s are, 7 and 7 will get cancelled, and here 7 and 7 we will cancel, and 2 and 2 we will cancel, and 2 and this will become 11. So remaining things we will write now. So here 11 into 25 upon 2 is what is remaining, plus here 11 into 7 upon 1 is remaining. So here 275 upon 2 plus 77 upon 1. We'll find the LCM into 2 into 1. So 275 plus this will become 154 upon 2. So this will become 429 upon 2, and the final answer will become 214.5 centimeter square, because this is area. Okay, so guys, this is the area. Okay, total surface area of the toy, 214.5 centimeter square. For area we write centimeter square. Guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. For online tuition classes, visit this website. Thank you very much, guys.